with the diabetes patients that I was, and they were suggesting me, chef, what if we feel hungry after breakfast? What could you do for us? So we came up with ragi breadsticks, which they could just the false hunger they feel just within two sticks, whole grain, whole grain, multi this ragi sticks we have developed. So like this, we developed cookies, we developed cakes, we developed muffins for little children. And even when I was teaching into the institute, one of my students, they came up with cups with which they can serve smoothies, and they can eat the cup along with it.